Solutions topic. This is one of the physical chemistry topic. Here, solutions. So solution we know we can take there are types of solutions. If you observe, there are true solutions and colloidal solutions and suspensions. These are all our solutions only. Here true solutions mean the solute size is less than 1 nanometer, and in the colloidal solutions the solute size is 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometers range. Otherwise, in the case of suspensions, the solute particles sizes are greater than 1000 nanometers. But here in our topic in the solutions lesson, second year solutions lesson, we will discuss true solutions. We will discuss about only true solutions. Now, the true solutions we know they are homogeneous. Homogeneous. Homogeneous solutions. Homogeneous solutions mean the two or more components. Generally, in these solutions, two homogeneous solutions, two or more components combined, a specific ratio. Specific means there is no particular ratio, but the two components or two or more components are uniformly distributed in the compounds. Two or more components are combined in any ratio and forms true solutions. In these two solutions, all components are uniformly distributed. All components uniformly distributed throughout the solution. The solution. That means all components are completely mixed in the solution. Now, in this lesson, again, most familiarly we will discuss the solutions are many types. The solutions are there are 9 types of solutions are there: solid solutions, liquid solutions, and gaseous solutions. These three also again classified into three types. That means overall 9 type of solutions. So we'll discuss about 9 type of solutions. 9 type of solutions. 9 type of solutions. Solid solutions, gaseous solutions, the gaseous solutions, solute and solvent and example. So you know that solution mean solute plus solvent provides solutions. Here solute is a minor quantity, solvent is generally major quantity. So in the solution which is a major quantity, that is called solvent, the minor quantity is called solute. So here gaseous solutions mean solvent is always gas. Solvent is gas only. So gas. So solute first we take gas in gaseous type solution. Solute gas, solvent gas. And liquid, if solute is liquid, solvent is again gas. If solute is solid, solvent is again gas. So here one gaseous solutions one. In that one, two, three, one, two, and three. So here a gas in gas type. So if you take example gas in gas type means solution of oxygen in En2. Solution of oxygen in En2. Nitrogen. Oxygen gas present in nitrogen gas. Because nitrogen is more then oxygen is less. Next liquid in gaseous type. Liquid in a gas. Solution of chloroform. Chloroform in a nitrogen gas. Chloroform in a nitrogen gas. And the third type of solution of that means camphor. N2 gas. N2 gas. So their camphor is solid. Solid is present in N2 gas. Chloroform liquid. Liquid present in N2 gas. Oxygen is a gas. So gas present in gas type. Liquid present in gas type. Solid present in gas type. Next second type of solutions. Second type of solutions liquid state. Liquid solutions. Liquid solutions. So fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one. So again solute to solid. So gas in liquid, solid in liquid. Liquid in liquid type. Liquid in liquid and solid in a liquid type. So here solute is gas, solvent is liquid. Solute is liquid, solvent is liquid. Solute is solid, solvent is liquid. So the solvent is liquid, then they are called liquid solutions. Now examples, gas in liquid. Gas in a liquid, if you take carbon dioxide gas, CO2 gas in water. CO2 gas in water. Generally in eroded liquids are cool drinks. Eroded cool drinks having CO2 gas in water. And liquid in liquid. Ethanol in water. So ethanol in water is one of the best example for liquid in liquid type of solutions. And solid in liquid type. Solid in liquid. Solid in liquid type means you can take the examples. These are very mostly we discuss. Solid in liquid type salt solution. Salt, common salt, NaCl in water. So gas in liquids, liquid in liquid, solid in liquid type. Next one, gaseous. Third type. Solid solutions. So we finished 6. Next 7th one. Here again solid. Gas in a solid. 8. Liquid in solid. And 9th one. Solid in solid. Solid in solid type of solution. These are two solutions. Gas in solid. H2 gas absorbed in palladium metal. So this process is called occlusion. So gas absorbed in the metal is called occlusion. Especially hydrogen gas absorbed in palladium metal is called occlusion. So here gas present in solid. Next liquid in solid. Liquid in solid. Take amalgam of mercury. Mercury sodium metal. Sodium metal. That means NaHg. That means Hg is the liquid here, Na is the solid. So liquid mercury is present in the sodium metal. Next solid solid type. Solid type we will say copper gold. Copper gold. Here copper is present in gold. So here gold is major quantity, copper is minor quantity. So these are 9 type of solutions. These are all binary solutions. Binary solutions mean there are only two components, one solute, one solvent. They are called binary solutions. So the nature of the solution is depends on solvent. Nature of solution. That mean physical state. That mean physical state. Physical state of solution is decided by the solvent. If solvent is liquid, the solution also in liquid state appearance. Liquid state. If solvent is gas, then the solution also gaseous state, like that. So generally, we will discuss in the solutions topic solid, liquid type solutions. Solid, liquid type of solutions. So these are pseudo solids. Pseudo solids. They are intermediate stages between liquid and the solid type. So these are pseudo solids, solid in liquid type solutions. So these are our main topic in the solutions. Now